Have you ever heard a myth about mental health that left you confused? Misconceptions about mental health are common and can lead to stigma and misunderstanding. In this video, we're breaking down the top 5 myths about mental health. By the end, you'll have a better understanding of these misconceptions and the facts that can help change the conversation. Let's start with the first myth. Mental health problems are rare. This misconception can lead many to believe that mental health issues don't affect them or those around them. In reality, mental health problems are incredibly common. According to the World Health Organization, 1 in 4 people will experience a mental health issue at some point in their lives. Conditions like anxiety, depression, and bipolar disorder affect millions globally. By recognizing the prevalence of these issues, we can foster a more supportive environment for those who are struggling. Mental health is just as important as physical health, and it's essential to understand that many people face challenges that can impact their daily lives. By normalizing conversations about mental health, we can encourage individuals to seek help and support when needed. The second myth is, mental health issues are a sign of weakness. This belief can be particularly damaging, as it perpetuates the stigma surrounding mental health. Many people view mental health challenges as a personal failing or a lack of willpower. However, mental health conditions are complex and can be influenced by various factors, including genetics, environment, and life experiences. Just as someone with a physical illness wouldn't be deemed weak for seeking treatment, those struggling with mental health should be encouraged to seek help without feeling judged. Understanding that mental health issues can affect anyone, regardless of their strength or character, is vital in creating a compassionate society. It's essential to change the narrative around mental health and highlight that seeking help is a courageous step toward healing and growth. Now, let's tackle myth number 3. Therapy is only for people with serious mental health issues. Many people believe that only those with severe conditions should seek therapy, which is far from the truth. Therapy can benefit anyone, regardless of the severity of their struggles. Whether you're feeling stressed, anxious, or simply need someone to talk to, therapy provides a safe space to explore your thoughts and feelings. Seeking help is not a sign of weakness. It's a proactive step towards self-improvement and well-being. Therapy can provide valuable tools for coping with everyday stressors and improving overall mental health, making it an essential resource for everyone. Additionally, therapy isn't just about addressing problems. It's also about personal growth, self-discovery, and developing healthier coping strategies that can enhance your quality of life. The fourth myth is, mental health issues are easy to spot. Many assume that individuals with mental health problems will exhibit obvious signs, but this is not always the case. Mental health conditions can manifest differently in each person, and many individuals may appear perfectly fine on the outside while struggling internally. This misconception can lead to misunderstandings and missed opportunities for support. It's important to remember that mental health issues can be hidden, and that everyone deserves empathy and understanding, regardless of whether their struggles are visible. Being mindful of this can help us become more supportive friends, family members, and colleagues. Recognizing that someone may be silently battling their demons can encourage us to approach conversations about mental health with sensitivity and compassion. Finally, let's talk about a myth that needs to be dispelled. Children don't experience mental health issues. This misconception is not only false, but also harmful. The reality is that children, just like adults, can and do experience mental health challenges such as anxiety, depression, and behavioral disorders. It's easy to overlook these issues in children because their symptoms might manifest differently or be dismissed as just part of growing up. However, ignoring these signs can lead to significant long-term consequences that affect a child's development, academic performance, and relationships. Early intervention is crucial. The sooner we recognize and address these problems, the better chance we have of helping children grow into healthy, well-adjusted adults. Parents, educators, and caregivers have an essential role in identifying the early signs of mental health issues in children. By creating a nurturing environment that promotes emotional well-being, we can provide the support these young individuals need to navigate their mental health challenges. If you're finding this information helpful, please take a moment to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Your support enables us to continue creating content that raises awareness about mental health and promotes understanding and compassion. By subscribing, you're becoming part of a community dedicated to breaking down the barriers that prevent open conversations about mental health and working towards reducing the stigma associated with it. As we reflect on today's discussion, it's clear that mental health myths can profoundly shape how we view ourselves and others. Debunking these myths is a crucial step in fostering a more supportive environment for those who struggle with mental health issues. It's important to understand that mental health is a vital aspect of overall well-being, deserving of the same attention and care we give to physical health. By approaching mental health with compassion, understanding, and an open mind, we can create a society where people feel safe to seek the help they need without fear of judgment. Education and awareness are powerful tools in this fight against stigma, and by using them, we can promote a healthier dialogue about mental health. So, what's the answer to the question we posed at the beginning? The truth is that mental health is a complex and multifaceted topic that touches everyone. By debunking these myths, we empower ourselves and others to take control of our mental well-being. Understanding that mental health issues are common, that seeking help is a sign of strength, and that therapy can benefit everyone, allows us to create a more supportive and inclusive community. Thank you for joining us in this important conversation. Remember, mental health matters, and your voice is powerful in breaking the stigma. If you enjoyed this video and want to continue learning about mental health, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Together we can foster an environment where mental health is openly discussed and prioritized for everyone. By sharing this video with your friends and family, you're helping to spread awareness and encourage others to engage in meaningful conversations about mental health. Let's work together to create a world that's more understanding, more supportive, and more compassionate for all.